Welcome to Johannes Wasserfall. One of the best you've seen.
This is so stunning.
If you're in the area, it's a must see. Value for money because it's free.
Yeah, what's better than free?
Do not make the same mistake as these cyclists behind us. They've just walked to the platform. The platform is not a good view at all. You can't see a thing.
We did that first and then realised there was a much better view to be had.
Literally 2-minute walk. First right on the path, you'll see the waterfall at its absolute best in the cave. You don't even have to walk down there if you don't want to. They've not even seen it. No. You get a wet arse, but at least you don't fall down a cliff.
It's a bit steep, isn't it? It's a good job they're here.
It's smiling in this.
Yeah.
Coming off the waterfall.
You can see it. Wow.
Wow. See the top of it from here. The spray is
Wow.
really refreshing.
Oh, it's a bit fresh.
one of Austria's finest waterfalls. And you can go behind it, which is even better.
Let's go.
Let's take a look. It's our coats on.
Let's go.
What an amazing waterfall. Bring your coat, bring your hat.
And be prepared to be wowed.
It's literally 5 minutes from the car park. You'll go down hundreds and hundreds of stairs. But what awaits you is one of the most epic waterfalls in Austria. Oh yeah, we actually sat on the rock, didn't we? First time round. Now you've got to use your upper strength. Like that. Like a saber cat. Sitting on the rocks, yeah?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You got it.
And look at that, we're behind the waterfall. How good does that look? 60-metre drop.
It's absolutely gorgeous. You know it's a good trail when there's a painted sign on the rock.
Johannes Wasserfall 314, one of the best we've seen. Absolutely amazing.
This is so stunning, and the little route through the mountains with the mountain streams and the sunshine and the trees. Oh my goodness. It is absolutely amazing.
It's a special, special moment. So get yourself down here if you're in the area. It's a must see. Hit that like and subscribe and play this playlist up here to the Liechtenstein plan, also epic, must see in this area.
I'm going to take this as better than the Liechtenstein plan.
Value for money because it's free.
Yeah, what's better